Yes, Beyonce did that.
Show me a little body. Call me a whole thing.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, welcome. My name is milauncatrin. For those of you all that are new, hit that subscribe button, join the fam. I'd love it if you stuck around for more. Today you're in for a special treat. I'm going to be trying on some of the clothing that I bought from Ivy Park. If you're not new here, then you know last Ivy Park drop, I bought 2 pairs of shoes and I unboxed them right here on the channel. So if you have time, check that out. I'll put a card up here. This time, I bought clothes. I've always been super hesitant to buy clothes from Ivy Park and honestly just online in general, just because sizing, let's face it, like everything looks good on Beyonce. Like it just is what it is. Like Ivy Park is great, but the body is sold separately, okay? Okay, I just don't know what size I am and a lot of stuff. So if that's you, I hope that this video is helpful for you. So yeah, let's stop rambling and let's just get into it. So as you can see, I bought a ton of things. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox them. Okay, so this is the first piece. It's too big. I got this in an extra large. That's usually the size I get things in. So I got this in an extra large as well. However, I will say that this skirt is fire. I'm loving it. Like in person, this is so cute. This is the cutest skirt ever. I even like this little slit. When I seen Beyonce have it, like she had it like that slit, like that. She did that leg out, she got it like that. I said, oh, I need that. If you're interested, I'll leave my measurements down in the description bar, so if that helps you out a little bit more. Because I am usually an extra large or a large for the most part. Like I think I could fit a medium type. This is big. So anyways, let's just move on to the next thing. Okay, so I definitely did get this jacket now. This jacket, baby, look at this. Like, first off, this is a coat. Like, this is really heavy. It's really thick on the inside. Oh my God. I'm trying to film with natural light and the lighting is changing. But on the inside, if you can see, it's Sherpa material. And on the outside, it's jean. Like, this is a jean jacket with Sherpa in the inside. Listen, this is fire. So this is like the top and the bottom, like the skirt together, and it's super cute. Oh, I'm so sad about my skirt not fitting, but this is so cute. It fits just how I wanted it. Like this jacket is so cute. I love it. Like this is so nice. For size references, I got this in a medium. Looks good. It's kind of long, comes down past my butt. You know, for my girls with the big boobs, I can button this. There we go. So you can see, you could button it. Like it fits pretty good. I really like this. I really like this print. At first I wasn't a fan of like this like logo being everywhere, but I think it's done in a very tasteful way. It looks good to the point where it's like you couldn't even tell that it says Ivy. Like that's what it's spelling out, Ivy, but it looks really nice. It's really warm. Like I'm like hot. Like I'm so hot, but I love this. I think this is definitely one of my faves. The jacket, as far as like sizing and everything goes, I think this was really like true to size. I usually get a large or an extra large. I usually get an extra large because, you know, I want to be able to close my jackets up. So I usually get an extra large, but this was oversized. So in oversized, I'll get maybe a large or a medium, depending on if it's men's or like unisex. And this is unisex. So I got a medium and like, that was pretty good. I'm glad I got a medium. This is a banger. This is 10 out of 10. So these shorts, okay, so I'm not mad at the shorts. Again, it's the Sherpa material, and so these are unisex, and I thought it was really cool. The pocket here is super deep, very deep pockets. I would have loved for like an additional pocket on the side. Am I tripping? Is there one? There is not one. They're so cozy, like, the cozy girls, we won in this drop. Oh, yes, yes, I love this together. This is so cute. I would definitely put this on with like some high top shoes. Do you like the jacket with the shorts? What do you think? Is it a vibe? So I'm just realizing that there are no pockets. None. Zero. There's none right here. Huge miss. Huge miss. But I don't think y'all ready for how cozy we're just about to get. Listen, when I tell y'all the cozy girls won, the cozy girls, we won. Ta-da! This, look at this. Look at this. I look so cozy. This could have went. We could have just cut this off. I don't know what. This has me written all over it. Like, I can just see me working, you know, working on my laptop. And I'm just like, this is the ultimate cozy vibe. Like, and it's so cute. Oh, I actually really love it with the shorts too. It's not like overkill. And oh my god, all we need is some pockets. Where are the pockets? Wait, I know this sweater. Oh no, it's pockets. Okay, I was about to start cussing. Oh, ooh, and the inside, girl, feels so good. Okay, the inside material is like a nice like terry cloth maybe. Oh, I just love this. And it cuffs underneath the butt. Like, you feel me? This was also pretty steep. It was $170, like 80 something with tax and shipping. So it was pretty expensive, but I will say the quality's there. So I finally got the hood on. So this is what it looks like with the hood. Hold on, let's just put this up. So yeah, it's real warm, it's hot with that hood on. So it isn't like super heavy, but it's not light either. I'm actually getting really hot. In combination with the shorts and the top, it is getting really hot in here with all of this on. So I wouldn't say that it's like super heavy though. I definitely think you're paying like the Beyonce tax when it comes to this sweatshirt. I did want to share a little bit about, you know, how to snag yourself some Ivy Park. I ordered from 3 different stores to get all of my Ivy Park, and so I do want to share a little bit of my tips and tricks when it comes to getting Ivy Park. So I'm gonna change, and then I'll be right back, okay? Ooh, oh my goodness, okay. I can't believe I tried to do this video without my glasses on. Girl, I cannot see. Before we end today's video, I did want to share places where you are more likely to get Ivy Park than anywhere else. So first of all, I got this jacket and the shorts, the Sherpa shorts. I got them both from a boutique called Bait Me. I'm gonna leave all the links in the description box. Next up is Shop Nice Kicks. The next one is Sneaker Politics. On Sunday, 2 days after the drop, they also had a lot of things still in style. The next place is Bodega. Bodega is also another like boutique, like, you know, hype piece place. So they sell shoes, clothing wear, the whole 9 yards. The other one is Woodstack, also another boutique, but I always see them have Ivy Park stuff. It's like, cause you know, Adidas, they sell out in seconds. But I just would check these places out first. And shipping times also were pretty comparable to Adidas and ASOS. Like, this stuff that I got from Bait Me came before Adidas and ASOS. Like, yeah, so shop small when you're thinking about big drops. Even just regular sneakers, like when sneakers hit, think about small boutiques. Don't sleep on the small ones. Hopefully that's helpful. I hope that you're able to, you know, snag some stuff in the next drop. I hope that my sizing guide was helpful. I hope that you enjoyed watching me like put on all these clothes and like, I don't know, just feel myself. Anyways, I hope to see you all in my next video. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back with more videos. Peace. Also, if you're bored, watch another one. I got other videos, so check those out.